One of the most common things that people forget to do when they've just changed from sewing over to embroidery is to select the correct foot. Now we'll put on the right foot, which is foot 26, our embroidery foot. But when you actually get in, and I'm going to just randomly select a design here to come onto our screen, if there's any little red notations on the screen, such as this one, that means that it knows that this should not be the foot you have on with embroidery. And if you don't actually change it on screen, it will not let you actually stitch. So go ahead and go into it right away. And then it will tell you foot 26 is your optimum foot. Obviously, that's the one with the yellow star. Touch it, and you'll see that that part will be a lot more happy without that exclamation point. So that way when you get to sewing, you don't have those messages that come up and make you stop and change it. So I always change it right when I get in, and then that way I know I have selected the correct foot.